Hello, this is Paul Milligan for IC Show TV at IC 2017. I'm joined today by Curtis Lingard from Christie. Welcome, Curtis.
Thank you.
Could you talk me through how high brightness projection has evolved over the years? I'm guessing there's been quite a lot of movement.
Sure. At Christie, we pride ourselves on having a diverse array of foundation technologies, and we've been combining those to really push the projectors into combining the right technologies with the right light source for the right applications. That really helps us guide our customers to make sure that they have purpose-built products specifically meeting their needs. So, for example, with Boxer 4K 30, we were able to combine high bandwidth 4K inputs as well as high brightness projection out of mercury base lamps in a nice small compact form factor. Worked really well for a lot of people. Moving forward into other technologies, looking to the future, we're combining it with RGB laser and laser phosphor.
Wow.
So when you go to our future AV section, you'll see combinations of that. You'll see our 1DLP moving up into higher brightness categories, incorporating both 4K UHD and laser phosphor, as well as the 3DLP works its way into laser phosphor with bold color technology, giving you extremely brilliant color performance and color saturation. And then all the way up to the top tier that has RGB laser with 3DLP. And along the way, we're combining our electronics with it, because it's not just about the light source, it's also about what the projector can do. And when you combine true life electronics that can do 4K 120 hertz, you get unmatched performance out of it.
Sure. Do you think it's important to offer lamp and laser options in the sort of high brightness world?
Yeah, absolutely. At this point in time, there's a great TCO for each one. So depending on a person's application, how long they're going to use it for, how long they think they're going to need it, as well as what their customer requirements or customer expectations are going to be. They want to make sure they have that nice performance over the life of the entire product. So depending on what their needs are, we can work with them to figure out whether lamps, laser phosphor, or RGB makes the most sense.
Sure. So it's done very much on a kind of one-to-one kind of project basis. When someone comes to you and say, I want a 4K projector, you can say, well, actually, there's a range of options there. You don't just have, there's not one flavor, there's many.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it really does come down to the individual needs. There's a number of times where we've had customers come to us, they want a projector, they have something in their mind at first, they think they want a certain technology, and the more we talk about what they're looking to do, the more we realize it's really not the right fit and they want to go down a different path. So it really does require a little bit of communication and making sure they understand exactly what they're getting into when they move into new technologies.
Sure. Is there laser projectors have been a big kind of hype thing for a few years now. Is there some kind of demystifying that you have to do with what the technology is capable of and what the Christie models can do?
Yeah, demystifying is a good way of putting it. I would actually say it's really just a matter of making sure they understand it fully. There's a lot of misconceptions about how it would work. And so yeah, when you look at some laser phosphor projectors, you might think if I go down that path, I'll never have to replace the illumination system. But depending on the minimum floor of brightness needed, you may actually end up having to replace your illumination system before you may have expected to. Yeah. And that can end up being sometimes more costly than if you went with lamps or if you went with RGB laser. But it really does come down to the right light for the right application.
Curtis, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure, thank you.